What's up, guys? Back with another analysis video for the channel. Just wanted to actually show you um, and just backtrack and see what US30, NASDAQ, and Bitcoin has been up to. So, if you haven't been actually come just actually following us on the Instagram page, I did drop in kind of just an updated analysis on how things were actually kind of just looking at like with US30. So I think the last time when I did the video, I think it was around Thursday, it was around Jan. Price came through around this range, rejected from this zone and pushed straight up. So as I'm kind of just like seeing things from a much clearer perspective, we have been actually just making higher highs and higher lows around this level here, where we saw a break in price, breaking through this daily trend line with a rejection right here of the head and shoulders and a price drop through touching 42,200 and 42,029. So we are kind of just seeing a bit of an ABC pattern based on our Elliott wave formations. If you are following the Instagram page, you'll be able to actually kind of see that I do drop just kind of just a little bit of information based on how the Elliott wave does work. So we could potentially be on an upward trend in the push, dropping down to 41,373 would not necessarily happen like right now, as per se, based on the pattern that I've actually just kind of just like pointed out here as is. But we are actually pushing to the upside as we see how things are. But I'm actually just going to actually just show you, just taking out this Elliott wave. So we had 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 with our ABC, which is 0, A, B, C. So this is on how things are actually kind of looking like. So what we could actually see moving forward is now that prices kind of just created a bit of a W pattern because this neck has actually been broken. We could potentially maybe see a new retest along this level, retesting, pushing up higher, or maybe we could possibly maybe push up a little higher in 42,793, reaching this level, and then a pushing retest, pushing to the upside, in reaching this high, which is around 43,065. So we'll see on how things actually play out. US30, I think we will possibly see 43,605 and then maybe a drop, as is fundamentally. So the war is still kind of just spewing up in place. So we'll have to just kind of just wait and see how things actually transpire and turn out. I think also as well too with US100 as well too. Kind of also played into that zone. It's a very, very crucial zone, which is around here. I'm just gonna actually just take this out of the rectangular zone right here. Very, very, very crucial zone that's been actually consistently just coming through and rejecting this area. So we could potentially actually kind of just see a bit of a range within this level here, because this level is also very tight. So with NASDAQ, that's not necessarily looking very much so lucrative to actually place in the opportunities per se for now, because it's actually just ranging in between the zones. I thought maybe with this ascending, well, yeah, with this ascending triangle, we could possibly really push straight down, but we failed to kind of just break this level, which is 21,383, which we will kind of just be eyeing out and seeing on how things actually go about. But I do think that price could potentially be kind of just like ranging between this zone as is. With Bitcoin, I think with Bitcoin actually did. So from, if you watch the previous video from last week, Thursday, that I uploaded, you will be able to actually kind of see that these zones that are actually mapped out were still valid zones that are highly respected within Bitcoin as is. So also within the ranging market, I think with this daily candlestick, if we could potentially kind of just like close here, we might maybe see a continuation and push to the upside, as this is a very strong volume candlestick that's actually kind of like forming as it. So if we do possibly decide to kind of just like close above this level here, then we could potentially see some kind of push, or things might turn out in this way. And we'll see, maybe we can just retest and then come back to the retest down here, and then maybe break above here, coming into this resistance up top here, looking at the daily time frame. So we'll kind of just see on how things actually play out with Bitcoin, but I do think that we could potentially maybe just come back and then retest this level here if we don't close above this zone here, and then just create a W pattern pushing to the upside. But yeah, I think one of the US30 is really looking lucrative, to be quite honest with you. Um, I will be eyeing it out for the next couple of days, 2 or 3 days, just to see how things actually could come about and play. But I think for those of you that are possibly kind of also watching my analysis and are new to the channel, subscribe to subscribe to the channel, yes. But also check out our free community group on WhatsApp. The link is in the description as well too. We do upload analysis based on current price action and what could be predicted, as also just giving out educational content as well too on the Instagram page as well too. So yeah, it's just a quick video on what I am kind of just seeing with US30, NASDAQ, and Bitcoin. But yeah, I just hope the video has been helpful. And see you on the next one. Cheers. Thanks.